Welcome back to the part 14. Today, we are simplifying CSDM domains for your CIS-Data Foundations exam with the best practice questions and answers. Let's start. The first question is, which service type represents outcomes delivered to the business? Option A, technical service. Option B, application service. Option C, business service. Option D, CA class. So the correct answer is option C, business service. So business service, why business service? Because business service represents the final value delivered to the business or user. In CSDM, this sits at the top layer. I mean, sell and consume. Because business users don't care about servers, apps, or databases. They care about what service I'm getting. For example, user sees the online banking. We can take the example of online banking app. What user sees? They are checking only online banking, but they don't think about apps or servers running on hiddenly. So we can consider as business services what business consumes. Next question. Which service type should be used to model an application's logical boundaries? Option A, business service. Option B, application service. Option C, technical service. Option D, asset. So the correct answer is application service. Option B. So why application service is correct? Application service defines the logical boundary of an application. And application service groups the application components, dependencies. Dependencies means database, API, servers. So application service used for the service mapping and ownership at app level. Next question. And application service we can consider as a logical structure of app. Which service type is most appropriate to represent a database capability shared by multiple apps? Option A, business service. Option B, application service. Option C, technical service. Option D, catalog item. The correct answer is option C, technical service. Why technical service is correct? So technical service represents the shared infrastructure capabilities. For example, database, network, web server. These are the usual for reusable concepts used by multiple applications. So technical service we can consider as the shared infrastructure capability. Next question. In CSDM, which layer primarily answers what does the customer consume? Option A, design. Option B, foundation. Option C, manage and technical service. Option D, sell and consume. So the correct answer is sell and consume. So sell and consume layer represents the customer business view. So this is the entry point for users. In this, apps infra is hidden businesses. And it reflects the user or business perspective. So sell and consume is the customer perspective layer. Next question. Which statement best describes the role of application service in an incident management? Option A, track asset cost. Option B, identifies business KPIs. Option C, helps determines affected components with an application. Option D, manage user access. The correct answer is option C, helps determine affected components within an application. So what application service provides? So application service provides visibility into internal app structure. And why is important? For the faster root cause analysis, better impact analysis. It's used. We can simply say application service is the impact tracing inside the application. Next question. Where should a web server cluster be primarily modeled? Option A, business service. Option B, application service. Option C, technical service. Option D, foundation. The correct answer is option C, technical service. So what is web service cluster or web server cluster? Web server cluster is the pure infrastructure and support multiple apps. So it belongs to managed technical service layer. So we can consider as infrastructure is the always technical service. Next question. Which mapping is correct for service dependency in CSDM? Option A, technical to the business to the application. Option B, application to the business to the technical, and business to the application finally technical, and business to the technical and to the application. So the correct answer is option C, business to the application and to the technical. So this is a core CSDM dependency flow. Business application to the technical. This is a core technical. In this, what's the meaning of business service? Business service is the what user consumes, and application service is the how it is delivered. The technical service is where it runs. So it enables the end-to-end visibility and impact analysis, root cause tracing. We can say example is online banking app. So online banking app is a business service. Payment app is a application service, and database service is a technical layer. So correct hierarchy is top to down. Top to down means here business is the top, then application, then finally technical. Here one more time telling. So for business service example is online banking. Application service example is payment app. For technical service example is database server. Next question. Which service type is most suitable to represent an API layer used by multiple front ends? Option A, business service. Option B, application service. Option C, technical service. Option D, asset. The correct answer is application service. Option B. So what is API layer? It's a part of application architecture. It's the logical component. So an API layer is a part of the application architecture. So it's modeled as an application service. It's a logical layer. We can simply consider as API is the application logic to the application service. Next question. What is the primary benefit of separating business, application, and technical services? Option A, reduce storage. Option B, eliminates relationships. Option C, provides clear abstraction layers for modeling and analysis. Option D, replaces CMDB. So the correct answer is option C. It provides a clear abstraction layer for modeling and analysis. So separation gives the clear architecture clarity. We have separated into the business, application, and technical. Business is what users see. It means what we can see. Online banking app, only we can see. Application is the how it works. Technical is the where it runs. Where it runs means servers is there, no? It will run on the server databases. So what's the benefit of this? What the benefit of layers is? This improves the service mapping, impact analysis, and ownership clarity. So no confusion between the layers, and better service mapping, accurate impact analysis, and for the clear ownership we can use. If in case we can mix everything, it gives to the wrong analysis. So abstraction is the clarity and scalability option. Next question. Which scenarios is the best indicates incorrect modeling? Which scenario best indicates incorrect modeling? Please carefully watch this question. Option A, online banking as a business service. Option B, payment app as an application service. Option C, database server as a technical service. And option D, database server as a business service. And please carefully watch the question. It's very tricky question. It's confusion also. Clearly in question mentioned incorrect modeling. So the correct answer is option D. Database server as a business service. Option A, B, C are correct, but option D is the wrong option. But here asking what's the wrong option. So why it's wrong? In generally, database server is the infrastructure, not user facing. The correct model is must be technical service only. So database server as a technical service. It's not a business service. So modeling it as a business service breaks the CSDM layering and causes incorrect impact analysis. So from conclusion, we can divide into the layers into 3 layers: business service, application service, and technical service. Business service used for the what users use. For example, we have the online banking app. Application service, how it works. We have payment apps. Best example is technical service, where it runs. The examples are the database servers, user interface. And if you have any doubts, please ask in the comments and I will help you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more ServiceNow exam preparation. Thank you. Wish you all the best.